Okay, here's a quick tour of our new RV. It's a Keystone Avalanche 365 MB. I just thought I'd take a break from moving house from the RV next door and show my British Facebook friends the proper way to go camping. Okay, let's have a quick look outside. I've got the water heaters there. Pass-through storage here, and the wet bay where you've got all the water hookups. Not going to get too technical there for you. I have two 30-pound propane tanks here, and then more storage on the front. Nice big storage there. I can put my generators in and all my tools. On this side we have the hydraulic system up here, which controls the slide outs, 3 of the slide outs, and the battery. There's the space for another battery here. And then we're back to the pass-through storage again, which is really big. Now we've got 4 slide outs. There's 1 on this side, 3 on the other. We'll just go inside. Oops. Dining area. The table has an extra leaf, so it will come out a little bit further. And we've got 2 recliners here, so I can sit down, recline, watch TV, and I can even turn the fireplace on with my remote. I don't really need it right now because it's 90 degrees at least outside. Right, next we got a big couch. This folds out into a bed, so it's a sleeper sofa. We saw the 50-inch TV screen, and that's where the stereo is. It's got Bluetooth audio, so the music you hear now, that's coming from my phone. For the kitchen we've got an island with solid surface countertop, stainless steel sinks. That's a small one, there's a big one on the other end, and a faucet with a pull-out sprayer. Here's the stove, microwave. Here's the silly bit, there's space for 6 wine bottles up there. I'm going to take that out and use it for spice rack storage instead. Okay, we've got the big, almost residential size refrigerator. It's 18 cubic feet. It's propane electric, so it's still a RV style. Now this bit here, this will be my office. I've got my computer and printer set up in here, and there's another sofa which comes out. This is another sleeper sofa. Above the office room we've got like a loft bed. And there's there's hookups for a TV there, so you could have a TV up there. And that's just the other door from the office room. All the controls up here for everything. Light switches, water heater, fan controls, slide out controls. That's the bedroom on its own, and the other 3, the hydraulic slides, are down here. And the awning outside as well. And the big one there, that's for the ceiling fan. Okay, here's the bedroom. We got a king size bed. Well, it's almost a king size bed, about 4 inches short, but as close as you get in an RV. We've got space for a 30-inch TV in here. And then over here, these drawers will come out, and if you can see over there, there's hookups for a washer dryer or a stack system, but we're just going to get a combo washer and dryer so we don't take up too much of the space. Then we've got closet space all along the back, which Amber didn't tell me that I don't get any. We need to talk about that later, I think. And then that's the other access to the closet, the shelf above. And the last place, we got the bathroom. We got the toilet there, sink, 2 cupboards, and then the shower is pretty big in this one. It's kind of a one-piece, full-size residential shower with a seat as well. Okay, the full length of this trailer is just shy of 40 feet and it weighs about 7 tons. And that's about it really. Okay.